Hello everyone, myself Danya Eldo and I am one of the OET aspirants from EduSkills family. Today I am here with you to explain the importance of group discussion. As all of you know that we have group discussion in the main platform from 8:30 p.m. From my experience, I would like to explain the importance. Actually, I'm trying to participate in the group discussion daily as much I can. One day I was preparing for explaining the questions. I make the PPT and I try to make colorful things and I try to make the scale, all the strategies I wrote already. Then I don't know how to explain it. I understood the answer, what it is. Then, but I don't know how to explain or how to explain in details. Then I thought, whatever it is, I will do. Then I start recording. Automatically, I was able to explain the things, how I was able to reach in the answer. This is the way, this will help us to improve our competency. So I would like all of you to participate in this group discussion. From my personal experience, I can assure you that it will really help you to improve the competency. You will understand all the strategies. As all of you know that there is in group discussion, the first part is introduction. So in introduction, one aspirant will explain in detail the strategies included in that particular part. If it is part A or reading part A, she will explain the strategies or the things that we have to understand or we have to follow in that part A. Try to listen that carefully. It will really help you to improve your competency. That's all. Thank you so much.